about what you're doing today, sir.
Putting my coilovers. There's some 5.8 Industries SS series. And then a bolt fell in there, but I can't fucking find it no more.
Welcome back, everybody. Another video. As you guys can see right behind me, we got Choko on the floor because he lost the screw, as he let you guys know. And what we're actually doing on his car today is installing his coilovers. Hopefully we can get everything on, but for sure, the front is already out. He's been working on that while I've been doing the work on the TSX intake. Hey, what are you doing? Out of here, bruh. What's it called? What brand is the coilovers, Choko?
They're 5.8 Industries.
So according to him, it's the company is 5.8 Industries SS, which I'm guessing is street something. Coilovers, which these are the ones right here. But yeah, so far they look pretty good. At least the quality wise, they seem to be solid. It comes with new end links. Yeah, they're sturdy. But yeah, he's gonna give these a shot, and then we're gonna hopefully get all his car squared away so he can have his car lowered, and also one small step towards our track day.
Estamos aquí en la Ciudad de México. Vamos a ir al Oxxo, comprar unas sabritas.
The boss is here, guys. We gotta get back to work.
Fuck out of here. Hey guys, another day here. We're back. We left off doing the front coilovers due to we didn't have any more sunlight. But we did the back ones, and it took me forever. Thanks to Jesse. I had to wait for him to do this. We had to basically roll the fender so the tire won't be scraping. We had to adjust the damping, or not the damping, the preload. The preload, there we go. We had to adjust the preload to the correct thing, adjust the height as well, and basically all of that took us about, we started around 7, we didn't finish till like 12 at midnight, so a couple hours just to do the 2 rear ones. But overall, everything's done, front and back. Ride's pretty smooth, you know, I like it, and yeah, that's it. That wraps it up for today, guys. Basically we did the front and the rear end of the coilovers. Both had to be done different days due to the sun not cooperating with us. But yeah, getting ready for Track day, November 29th. Hopefully performs well, does good. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and YouTube. The description is down below at Pandemic Motorsports with the Z. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys like it, and we'll catch you on the next one.